Building a $1 million portfolio isn't just a lofty goal, it's an achievable milestone with the right strategies and mindset. By combining smart investments in real estate, stocks, and passive income streams, you can create a diverse portfolio that grows over time. Here's how experts recommend doing it. Step 1. Start with a clear financial plan. 1. Set your goal. Determine your timeline and how much you'll need to invest monthly to reach $1 million. 2. Build a budget. Prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary expenses. 3. Tools like budgeting apps can help you track your progress. 4. Emergency fund first. Before investing, save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid account. Step 2. Invest in real estate for stability. Real estate is a cornerstone of wealth building because it offers appreciation, cash flow, and tax benefits. Start small. Consider house hacking, buying a duplex or triplex and renting out the other units while you live in one. Expand with rental properties. Look for properties in high-demand areas that provide positive cash flow. Leverage rights. If you're not ready to manage physical properties, invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, for exposure to the market without the hassle. Step 3. Build wealth through stocks. The stock market is a proven way to grow wealth over time, thanks to compounding. Index funds. Experts recommend starting with low-cost index funds like the S&P 500 for diversification and steady growth. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies with a history of paying consistent dividends for a passive income stream. Dollar cost averaging. Invest regularly, regardless of market fluctuations, to smooth out the impact of volatility. Step 4. Add passive income streams. Passive income accelerates your wealth building journey. Digital products. Create ebooks, courses, or templates that generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money on platforms like Prosper or Lending Club for interest income. Automate with royalties. Earn from intellectual property like books, music, or patents. Step 5. Diversify for security. A diverse portfolio minimizes risk and maximizes returns. 1. Alternative investments. Consider assets like precious metals, art, or cryptocurrency for added diversification. 2. International exposure. Invest in global markets to benefit from international growth trends. 3. Balance risk. Allocate your portfolio based on your risk tolerance, gradually shifting to safer assets as you near your goal. Step 6. Reinvest earnings. Reinvestment is the key to compounding. Dividends and cash flow. Put your rental income or stock dividends back into your portfolio to accelerate growth. Portfolio adjustments. Regularly rebalance to ensure your investments align with your goals. Step 7. Leverage tax advantages. Take advantage of tax-saving strategies to keep more of your returns. Retirement accounts. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs to grow wealth tax-free or tax-deferred. Depreciation benefits. Real estate investors can offset income with depreciation deductions. Tax-efficient funds. Opt for ETFs and index funds with lower turnover to minimize capital gains taxes. The power of patience. Building a $1 million portfolio takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Stick to your plan, invest consistently, and let compound growth work its magic. Your journey to financial independence starts now. Take the first step and watch your wealth grow.